to MC Devi from Modern College Chemistry. Today I will discuss the topic related to the object-oriented programming. First, we will discuss the pillars of the object-oriented. Then I will discuss the inheritance, and then I will explain the access specifier. Access specifier is a little bit difficult topic, but I will explain it very well. First, we will talk about the pillars of the object-oriented programming. The first pillar is abstraction. So can write now? First pillar is the abstraction. What is the abstraction? The question arises. Abstraction is the data hidden from the outsiders. Means for example, everyone is using mobile phones. User is interacting with the mobile phone, but exactly user does not know how the mobile phone is working. Means the data of working of the mobile phone is hidden behind something. The second example we can assume is the bus driver. He only knows how to drive the bus, but he does not know how the bus exactly works. When you want to increase the speed, you put the press on the acceleration. The bus automatically get increased. When you want to press a brake, what is the working of the brake? What is the working of the acceleration? This does not know to the driver. These all things is hidden behind. This is the second example of abstraction. The third example of abstraction, we can take the monitor. When we on the monitor or switch off the monitor, we don't know which chip is internally functioning. This is also a concept of the data hiding only. We will go to the next point. Next point is an encapsulation. What is the encapsulation? Wrapping of data and member functions into a single unit. Means, for example, we can take a gift box. A gift box means we know that there is a gift inside the box, but we are wrapping it with the present paper. Means whatever is inside we cannot see it. Second example, we can take that celebrity Cadbury box. We know that there are different types of Cadbury inside the box, means 5-star or dairy milk, something. But it is covered with some box of the manufacturing product. For example, we can assume that HR of the company. Whenever we want to contact with any department of the company, we have to contact through HR only. We cannot directly go to the department and whatever problem we cannot solve or we cannot discuss with it. Whatever answer will be come from the department, it will give to the HR and HR will the response. This will ensure that it is better maintenance of the organization and it will provide security also. Therefore, encapsulation is also necessary. The third pillar is polymorphism. Polymorphism is the combination of two words. Poly and morphism. Poly means many, and morphism means form. Having multiple forms. We can take day-to-day like example is a person who can speak more than one language. If I am sumant, I can speak 3 languages: English, Hindi, Marathi. So here person is the object and speech is a polymorphism. The second example we can say that the door. It is the door of the class. It may be door of a car, door of the cabin. Means here door is a polymorphism, and this class, cabin, car are the objects. So we can easily relate it with each other. For example, we can give is a man. Man is food. Man is drink. Man can bring the milk or something else. Here man is a polymorphism. Means something which is acting multiple forms. The best example we can give, everyone is watching movie. In Mission Impossible 3, the Tom Cruise is changing his face. Whenever he wants to do a specific task, he has to change his face. He is wearing a mask. The second example, fifth example we can give the room 2 picture also. This person is changing his face, wearing a mask. Means a person who can always work as a multiple forms. It is a polymorphism. The fourth pillar is the inheritance. Inheritance is one of the important concepts in object-oriented programming. Because before the inheritance there was a concept known as composition. Composition is nothing but it is working on the same like as inheritance. is it can get the characteristics and behavior of the parent class to a child class. But the one drawback is there in composition. Whenever it gets into the inherited, all the characteristics and all the member functions in the parent class will get inherited to the child class. If we don't want it, then also it will get inherited. It is known as the forwarding method. But the forwarding method is not a good programming practice because there are 100 methods in the parent class and child is needed only 3 to 4 methods. Always all that methods will get inherited. That is a bad programming practice. So the Bajani Stokes is the inventor of the C++. He has invented the inheritance concept. Inheritance is the process creating a new class from another class. Means it will only get the required characteristics and behavior of a parent class to the child class. In inheritance, you can divide the inheritance in two types. First, it will depend on the access specifier and it will depend on hierarchy. First of all, we will see how the inheritance will be work with the hierarchy. With the hierarchy, there are 5 types of inheritance. First is single inheritance. I don't have a practice of writing.
No, it's fine. Not any. Not any. Yeah, it's fine for me.
Single inheritance. What is single inheritance? A class is derived from another class. Means your parent class is also one and derived class is also one. The second is day-to-day life example. I would like to give mango. Mango is the derived class and the parent class is an fruit. The second example we can give Earth as a derived class from the universe. Universe is the parent class. One more example, animal is the parent class and derived class is a human being, lion, tiger, anything, mammal, aquatic animal. Second inheritance concept is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means class is derived from more than one base classes. I can draw it. Example first. All three are the base classes. All three will be inherited into a single class, which is a derived class. It will divide into the planet. These are the three are the base classes and one is the planet class. Which will be it is a combination of a parent classes into a single derived classes. It is known as a multiple inheritance. Another example we can give of multiple inheritance is sports, cricket. Here we can give base class as a cricket, football, hockey, and all will be derived into a single sports class. One more example I would like to share that is animals. Aquatic animal, mammals, all lion, tiger, or human beings, all will together will come into the single derived class that is animal. The next inheritance is multi-level inheritance. Five. Multi-level inheritance is inheritance. Means a class is derived from a derived class is derived from another derived class. You can say that a student giving exams. Means here is a super class is a student, and exam is the intermediate class, and the class which is derived is the result. Result is the derived class. It is a super class and it is the intermediate class. It is the intermediate class. Another example we can give the same here also universe, or we can